What's up guys? This is back to my YouTube channel again. So yeah, this is the night vlog, late night rainy vlog. Oh man, I hear the thunder shouting. Earlier it was raining so much, and like yeah, now it's raindrops. It was also thunder. I got thunder. Let's see if I can catch a light. I mean a thunder shot. Thunder. The sky. Doesn't look like I can't. I don't think I can. Well, that's disappointing. I wish I could catch one for you guys. Like I can hear in the sky just rumbling, but like there's no thunder. Earlier, right now, it was like thunder, or like now it's just disappointing, man. Oh, captured, I think. I don't know if I got captured. I don't know if I captured it on camera, but it was a not kind of good shot. Like, and yeah, just opening again. Wait. It's raining on. Light on. So you guys can see. Still you guys can't see here. It is so dark. But I can see here. And this camera is not that good. Like the sky is literally rumbling. Like the sky, like, oh my god, the sky is so yellow, isn't it? Yeah. But like, yeah, get ready for tomorrow. Guys, what bad post? Ooh, oh shit, that's not good. I can try. This is really disappointing, man. I am so sorry, guys. This is so disappointing. I'm disappointed, man. Well, let's see if I can get any lightning. Oh, there's literally nothing. I just, oh, okay. Okay, there's some thunder. Yeah, guys, okay. I guess I have to peace out now. For now, peace. So, that was really disappointing, guys. I'm so sorry. But for now, peace.